I wonder if I'm in your DNA and gonna fly in all the way from Cayman. Drop the X and it goes higher close. Big couple money jam like a rope. They spend money like.
This is what me a blood clot tell you, that me a say. Fire in me like blood clot dog. You see anywhere you hear me to go? Eh? This is what me a blood clot tell you, that me a say. Fire in me like blood clot dog.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Make a stop, pick up the item, oil and powder, send you our side them. Can make a bad link on the bang of phone. Them no man a pistol, Amazon, deep pump rifle, deep right.
Pull up! I want TV and a Club of TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a tamot.
Masicka, Liam Skull, and Tire Brain. You know Liam you fuck. Me I tell you the truth, all no boss. Liam no bumbo clad. After all them fuckery I go on in media and your name I call up, but that song that you come with. All thing me say bad about that song there, community where you shot the video, you know. Not more about it bad. You just recycle your sound and your flow over and over. The whole of your tune them sound similar umbre. Tune in already dog. And then they say yeah the baddest thing. You don't even have no art. You come a thing a name I call up on the media and that you forward with. Umbre. Lame dog. Song them already dog. You have some freshwater crocodile. You Masicka, Liam Skull and Tired Brain. Freshwater crocodile you know be. You want a saltwater crocodile. You know a crocodile in the Black River. The tourists come and call them and show food in the water and then come. You soft. Rubber teeth you know have. Freshwater crocodile you know bad. Swear.
Goes out to In the Spot News Media. In the Spot News Media. May I just tell you this once. And conquer your big head. Because I know you can't bounce up. Remember this without no apology. Publicly speaking. Stop call up Creaman name. Creaman ain't no gang leader or nothing like that. You see man we have video. I send you the video. When Creaman see him a video. I send you the video. Remember this. And I know gimmicks in thing. If you see Virgin and them. Remember say Creaman a producer you know. Remember that in the Spot News Media. So a man want to tell you no Anansi story and run with Anansi story and do no research. Remember say you thief a phone you know. Down a halfway tree you know. In a 2019 you know. From two girls we come from in America you know. Remember say my people them that. And you thief the phone. We not damage your character. But we know say. I ask Serpia any one of them can remember say people they reach out, you know. But none of them and they not run with that the information because you are long. But you see just show me know say every day, one day you have to dead. Me no worry about that man. Me worry about talking the truth and the truth me a talk. We don't no apology. You are one thief and the people they afraid because say in the Spot News Media are thief. And losing jobs take a thief in a cell phone. Remember, I know Creaman them are not thief in a music then deal with. And just some man that like them and try to tarnish their career. Just like me, they would not want to do that. But just through me stay half a radar, then can't call up my name. And if me in a party, no boy can't video me. Any boy video me in a party, they know how much a clock a strike. I remember for true, you know. Me know they don't like we, you know. So you see you in the Spot News Media, we call your system dark and you not talk about Walter and Morant them. Salute to Bantu Zulu, free, not dumb, and you can find the book over the website and the people's quote. Remember we not live in a dream, you know. As well me I say I know. Me see what day over Sunfest, me see people then trample over Sunfest. I'm mad so that me see step up on the stage, I know me not see cartel send film. Or send a girl for married to him. So you know see them soldier living a dream and a trick themselves in front of themselves. We don't no apology.
I wonder if I'm in your DNA and gonna fly in all the way from Cayman. Drop the X and it goes higher close. Big couple money jam like a rope. They spend money like we a sell coke and we dreaming. What money we have float in top madness. Say the money we gone catch a pillar in every day. Now turn up and invest couple millions build one plaza. Money can done be a walk with rock. A big house and the bill for them and a living. Chapilla in every day me now live for free now. Lobster and grill steam fish and with it.
Ush, Alkaline, what you do, man? Drop one more song like Keyman, no, man. One more song. Remember, say Keyman have the whole of them taunted, you know. One more song like Keyman, you finish them off. Yeah, man. Finish him. Alkaline. Win. Fatality. Finish them, Alka. Finish them, then taunt it. One more song like Keyman and then dead. Finish him.
Your pussy fat for real. Skin smooth, body big, no carrying at the knees. Get the Vaseline, set so I make the slide the team. Cocky make you wake up and put your back to sleep. Where you go? When me done, girl, you have to breathe. Hard fuck with your mouth and bag of seed. You hotter than them down.
People, don't follow the youth there. No, don't follow him TikTok people. Please me I beg you, no, don't follow him. Lie him I tell. Me your child, I threaten him. But anyway, my brother, yo, this brother, yo, let me want this brother a real batty bum buckler man in a real life still in a dog. Bro, don't have nothing to talk about on social media, dog. You don't have nothing to talk about. Like seriously. You don't got nothing to talk about. Come and tell lie. Cause when you come and tell people say, oh, your child, you say you're here. Tell the pussy will come out and tell you that. They say yes. Me tell him that. See? Just tell the pussy say, when me call him and tell him say, me say that. Tell him to come out and say, alright, that your child say that. You'd be a big lie, brother. Cause I somebody tell me have a problem and me just put the problem on a bad man. Someone better just leave me alone here, man. Yeah, man. Somebody tell me a big problem. And me will just drop the whole problem on some pussy while we are violate. I don't care. You see me? Yeah, man. You know, my last name, I Cornwall, my name, man. My last name, I Cornwall. Bumbuckle last name, I Cornwall, bad man.
So after minute 60, can't don't be sorry.
You understand me? Yeah. Bumbuckle Cornwall, my last name, dog.
After minute 60, can't don't be sorry.
You see me? After the Cornwall.
Yeah, Cornwall after minute 60 will be sorry.
Yes. You understand? So to dig this, don't play with the game, but people, and a big man level now still. The youth there, him only come out and tell be a lie. Yeah, my people, I never send this brother no threat. I never call this bad name to nobody. Yeah, never ever. You see me? We never ever threaten this brother before. So when you hear my talk, people no follow him. Not no go so. Not no go so, my people. So you see that video there? We do a video adjust the whole thing already, you know. See? I hope the blogger them run with it. We do a video adjust the whole thing already. You see me? Me never call this brother name. Never say me a this brother. Never threaten this brother. So this brother come out now and tell me say, him they all over, him a go they all over rare and this and that. You see me I say? But no, me never trouble this brother, man. Good night, ladies. Good night, ladies. How you doing? I'm doing fine. Watch the road, you know. You watch the road. See ya, Kevin? We now have to look, woman. You saw woman pull up and I look way. You see them? Woman, them crazy. You see that? We not have to look, woman. You saw woman just pull up on the roadside a while ago. Actually, we don't want to turn the camera around there. Yeah, woman just pull up on my foot right at the stoplight and we my car, I stand up in front of my car and woman I look me to blood clot. Remember that? That's how we deal with it, yeah, dog? Yeah, we don't have to look, woman. We are girlish boy, yeah. Two nice woman in a vehicle pull up now and listen to me and I laugh with me. The woman they wind out them window and I look for me from head to foot. Bro, you ever gone away and girl just at top of your foot and I pray? Brother, I load them, load your child, yeah, man. We are girls from birth, dog. You saw a woman just pull up a while ago and my foot a look for me. Better say if you run them down. I wanna frighten for pussy boy. It's easy to get quick enough when I frighten for fat crutches. But I can't tell you my family.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and bum. The war start and I got done. Them a try to aggravate me. The pussy them a try